Привет! Welcome to my kitchen and to my wonderful channel. Добро пожаловать! Today I'm going to show you how to make the most amazing dish ever. It's so easy, so delicious. These are baked pork tefteli or tefteli. Basically like giant pork meatballs cooked in tomato sort of sauce, creamy tomato sauce, and then they're baked. So actually they're much healthier and they're so delicious. Oh my god, you can honestly eat the whole pan. And I served them at my supper club and everybody loved them. So if you have a big family or if you're just a fan of meatballs, this recipe is for you. I hope you try it. Let me know. I love seeing your pictures. So if you make any of my dishes, then tag me at AllasYummyFood on all social medias. Now let's get started. In a food processor, add your chopped onions, garlic, and we're going to blitz everything together until it's nice and smooth. You can also do this by hand, of course. Put this mixture aside, and now we're going to grate our carrots. So we're going to do the same, grate your carrots and set it aside. In a nice pan, add some oil. Make sure the pan is nice and hot. Then add your chopped onions and garlic, and we're going to mix everything together and cook it for about 5 minutes or so until they start to get nice and brown and golden. Then you want to add your carrots and mix everything together and cook this for further 5 minutes or so. Like I said, you want to make sure everything is nice and golden. We're then going to separate the mixture, add half of that into a bowl and leave the other half in the pan. In the pan, we're going to then add our tomato paste, mix everything together and add chopped tomatoes. We want to mix everything together one more time and make sure it's nice and even. Add sour cream. And then mix one more time. This is going to be our tomato sauce or base for pork tefteli. Then you want to add a bay leaf and a few peppercorns or ground pepper. Then add salt or any other seasoning that you might want. Add your sugar and mix everything together. Next, we're going to add water. And make sure it's all mixed one more time. We're going to leave it to simmer for about half an hour or so. Guys and girls, I have my recipe on my website at AllasYummyFood.com. You'll find full ingredients and also directions on how to make this. And also you'll be able to find loads of other recipes that I do for my channel. Just click on the picture and you'll be able to see the whole video with the directions and the full recipe in English and Russian languages. While our tomato sauce is being made, we're going to make our meatballs. So add your pork and then add your fried onion and carrot mixture. Then add boiled rice. Then we're adding some soft butter and eggs, salt. We're going to also add some pepper. And we're going to mix everything together with hand until it's all completely mixed in. Mix everything until you get a nice mass. You do want to add as much air as you can while mixing, so be quite passionate. Put some love in there. And once the mixture comes together, it's going to look just like this. Next, we're going to spray our baking tin with some cooking oil, or you can butter it up as well. And we're going to form little meatballs from the mixture. So just roll it in your hand. You're going to create a nice ball just like this. And we're going to place this onto our tray. So keep going with your entire mixture and making the meatballs. This should make quite a lot. I'll tell you exactly in the recipe how many. And just place them all close together. And we're going to bake them for about 20 to 30 minutes at 190 degrees Celsius or 375 Fahrenheit. The meatballs are cooked. You're going to take them out and we're going to pour the sauce all over them on top and on the sides. If you have a smaller sort of baking dish, it works even better. I didn't at that time, so just add your sauce as much as you can all over and on top. Then squash them together if you have a larger baking tin, and they're going to go back in the oven for about 30 to 40 minutes at the same temperature. Once they're done, they should look really nice, beautiful and golden. They will crisp up on the top and it's going to be absolutely delicious. I've transferred them into a pan because I think they look much prettier this way. Add some freshly chopped parsley or dill or coriander or whatever you prefer and serve them straight away. They look so amazing. They smell absolutely delicious. They're very, very tender, very, very juicy and absolutely creamy. So I'll show you how it looks inside. Serve it with mashed potato, pasta, rice, whatever you prefer. And look at that. They're so gentle, so soft. They almost fall apart because they've been slow cooking for so long. And they're really, really moist. I absolutely love them, guys. I hope you try this recipe. And if you do, tag me at AllasYummyFood on all my social media platforms. Thank you for watching and check out loads of my other videos.